I'm doing this is blue.
Can you tell me? Wait. What one did you just do? You did
Oh no.
white, and what's the opposite of white?
Black.
Okay. What one do you have in your hand now?
Sad.
Sad. What's the opposite of sad?
Happy.
Very good.
I have clothes.
Which one? Closed. What's the opposite of closed?
Open.
Open. Very good. Very good. Which one do you have now?
Under.
Is that under?
Yeah.
Very good. Below. And what's the opposite? Above.
Just
Can you say above?
above.
Now which one did you just do?
Down.
Down? What's the opposite of down?
Up.
Very good.
Drop down. Empty is full.
Very good.
Do is boy.
Very good.
Shop is enough. Left. Right.
Very good.
So clean is dirty.
The opposite of clean is dirty.
We put this one here.
Mm-hmm.
This will go right here.
What's that one? What's that one with the mouse?
It goes.
It's
not facing down.
It's front and
Down.
back. What's the opposite of back?
I don't know.
Front.
But the opposite of soft.
What's the opposite of soft?
Hard.
Hard.
What's the opposite of night?
What's the opposite of night?
Oh no.
Is it day?
Yeah. What's the opposite of small? Go.
What's the opposite of small?
Go.
What's the opposite of minuscule?
Stop that. You don't have this skill.
Isn't that little smiley face minuscule? What's the opposite of go?
Stop.
And what's the opposite of?
Asleep. Okay.
Very good. Good job. What do you tell Grandma Happy?
Thank you.
Can you look at the camera and say thank you?
Thank you.
Say I love you.
I love you.
Say I love my folders.
I love my folders.
All right.